Hi everyone. Today we're exploring a late 90s favorite, the Denon DRA-455, a compact made in Japan two-channel stereo receiver that blends Denon's hi-fi amplification with a very capable AM and FM tuner. On the bench it looks understated, classic Denon fascia, solid metal casework and a tidy legible display. The footprint is friendly for most racks, and the unit weighs about 6.1 kilograms, so it feels reassuringly dense without being a backbreaker. Let's tour the front, starting left to right. Power and phones jack, followed by the input. Selector for phono, CD, auxiliary, and tape monitor. A clear fluorescent display shows the tuner frequency, RDS text, preset number, and the active input. Large volume knob. Tone controls for bass and treble, plus a very handy variable loudness circuit. Tuner section controls preset up and down memory and RDS functions for station naming and program info on FM. You also get mono and stereo and FM mode selections. Everything's satisfyingly tactile with that late 90s Denon ergonomics, simple, readable, and fast to operate without a manual. Rear panel and connectivity. Flip to the back and you'll find the essentials neatly laid out. Phono inputs at 2.5 millivolts at 47 kilo ohms, ideal for most moving magnet cartridges. Line inputs CD, video, auxiliary, and tape. FM antenna 75 ohms and AM loop terminals. Speaker terminals for a standard stereo pair. A C mains inlet. Amplifier topology and core specs. Under the lid, Denon keeps things clean and symmetrical. You'll see a linear power supply with a generously rated transformer and large reservoir capacitors feeding the power amp rails, then discrete left and right output stages on substantial heat sinking. Key performance numbers: rated power 2 channels with 65 watts into 6 ohm, total harmonic distortion 0.03%, frequency response 20 Hz to 50 kHz, power bandwidth 10 Hz to 40 kHz, signal to noise ratio about 98 decibels line and 78 decibels phono. Power consumption roughly 190 watts at full chat. It's quiet, linear, and stable. Into real speakers, bookshelf or floor standers in the 6 to 8 ohm range. The DRA-455 delivers confident dynamics without sounding etched. Bass is controlled, mids are open, and the top end has that easy Denon smoothness. Tuner performance. The FM section covers 87.5 to 108 MHz with RDS support for station and program text, and the AM medium wave band covers 522 to 1611 kHz. 24 station presets shared across AM and FM. Usable sensitivity on FM is excellent for a stereo receiver of this class. Pair it with a simple 75 ohm dipole or rooftop aerial and you'll be pulling in clean stereo from surprising distances. The front end is selective enough to navigate crowded dial conditions. The display is fast and accurate with a stable drift-free tuning. For AM, an external loop can help dramatically. Rotate it for a null on local noise, and the DRA-455 AM section will reward you with a clear talk and late night DX. System matching and listening notes. The DRA-455 is unfussy about partnering gear. Speakers works beautifully with 86 to 92 decibels and watts designs. If your speakers drop low in impedance, mind the volume. This is a robust stereo receiver, not a 20 kg power amp. Turntables. Any moving magnet cartridge in the 3 to 6 millivolt output range will be right at home. If you run moving coil, use a step up or external phono stage preamp into a line input. Sources: CD, DACs, streamers. Line level is plug and play. Keep analog interconnect short and well shielded. Subjectively, the sound is very Denon, composed and musical rather than hyperclinical. Vocals sit forward without glare. Cymbals are sweet, not splashy, with the loudness trimmed just a touch low volume. Evening sessions keep their warmth and punch. If you are looking for a straightforward, musical, and well equipped stereo receiver, this Denon is a lovely slice of late 90s hi fi. If you enjoyed the deep dive, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more vintage gear reviews, and tell me what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.